My name is Iyke Ekwueme Amirize. I want to use this medium to educate the public on divorce and marriage. According to the book of Mark 10, 11, 12, whosoever that put away his wife and marry another wife commits adultery against her. And if a woman put away her husband and be married to another man, she commits adultery against her. This simply means one man, one wife, and one woman, one husband. Luke 16, 18. Whosoever that married a woman that is divorced by her husband commits adultery. 1 Corinthians 7:10. Let not the wife depart from her husband, but if she does, let her remain unmarried or be reconciled with him. And let not the husband put away his wife. Wedding a pregnant woman is not biblical. This is very, very essential. Those who divorces and remarry is against the Holy Bible. If you divorce, you must remain single until the partner has died before you have the biblical authority to remarry. One man, one wife is in the Bible in respect to this quotation being quoted. Follow my movie entitled How to Find a Good Wife and a Good Husband on YouTube. Stay tuned as we unfold other vital information. Thank you.